Worms Open Warfare Challenge 2. So for this one, we're going to start the round. We're actually going to restart the round right away to get to the second attempt. But we're only going to do that once the turn starts, so right now. And the reason for this, the RNG changes based on whether it's the first attempt or any of the subsequent attempts. So in other words, the RNG is always the same except for that first attempt. Once we restart, we're going to hold fire to charge a zook as the crate drops. We're also going to hold jump, and the goal is to do 2 backflips and then fire the bazooka. So to do that, we're holding jump. The moment we see the turn start, we start mashing jump to make it a backflip instead of a forward jump. And we're holding jump again as we land. And then the moment that we land and see our worm sort of start that jumping animation, we're mashing jump again. Okay, let's try it. Surprise. Okay, and I'm holding fire the whole time. So we kill this worm pretty easily. But the reason we're doing this is just doing this specific shot is going to manipulate this worm into shooting this mine right here and killing the lower left worm. Okay, he's thinking. You'll also notice you get this wind, like 1 bar red wind. That shows you that you got the right CPU manip here. Kills him pretty easily. And what's nice about this setup is that we've killed those 2 worms pretty quickly. Now we're just going to shotgun these 2. So you want to be fully zoomed in. Face right. A nice feature about this game, if you just tap right or left as quickly as possible, you will just kind of turn in place, which is great for positioning. So we backflip, face left, select shotgun, and take note of where the aimer is. So we want to get the aimer right here. So see how it's wedged against the land? It's not inside the land. It's just on the outside, just that right wedge of the aimer. So from here, if we just fire, not even the shot itself with the splash damage shoots that guy in. And then we can actually just walk right. So just get yourself kind of centered on this, snowshoe right here in this position. So you want to be over the top of the snowshoe, sort of centered on the middle right there. I do want to quickly show another way of getting the same manipulation on the first attempt. So we hold fire while the crate's dropping, just hold the up arrow. All we have to do is get to this exact angle and just fire a full power shot. And it's basically 2 notches down from the top. Although, I should note a weird thing about the aiming system in this game. If you get to an angle, so you're starting at the horizontal and you're aiming up, it seems to be different than if you get to that angle starting from aiming straight up and going down. Because there's some weird thing about the angles in this game. Okay, so we get the same manipulation. And we can do basically the same routine. We just have to aim our shotgun 2 angles down. So let's zoom all the way in. Face right, backflip, face left. This time, instead of pressed up against the land, it's 2 angles inside it. So we just count 1, 2. Okay, same thing. And this time, you can get to the same basic position there, kill this guy. So this way would be like just a very tiny bit faster, but it's really hard to do that first bazooka.